Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use Notion to organize and manage your personal medical records. It's a simple yet powerful tool that can help you keep track of everything health-related in one place. Start by creating a new page in Notion and name it Personal Medical Records. This is where you'll store all of your medical information. Keeping everything in one place makes it easier for you to access and manage your health data. Now that we've done that, the next step is to set up different sections for different categories of information. You might want to include sections like doctor appointments, medications, and health metrics. The reason we do this is to categorize your information for easy retrieval. It can save you a lot of time when you need to find specific details about your health. Next up, you'll want to add your information to these sections. You can create tables, lists, and even upload files such as scanned lab reports. This helps us because Notion allows for various types of content, making it a flexible tool for personal health record keeping. Let me explain why this matters. Having an organized and comprehensive record of your health data can significantly aid in your healthcare management. It can help you and your healthcare providers make informed decisions about your health. And finally, make sure to regularly update your personal medical records page. Notion allows for real-time updating and synchronizing across devices, so you can always have the most updated information at your fingertips. And there you have it, folks. In just a few steps, you've created your personal medical records on Notion. It's a straightforward yet impactful way to take control of your health information. Remember, the key is consistency in updating your records. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy.